Hello friends, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to do a tutorial on HashMap in Java. Before continuing to this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, then please subscribe it now and click the bell icon also so that you can get my latest videos. Now we'll continue with the HashMap. What is HashMap? Firstly, HashMap is an associative array. That is, it store value in the form of key and pair, and every key is unique and a value is associated with a key. So we can use that key as an ID to get that value. This key uniquely identifies that value. This means that the HashMap contain only unique elements, and the most key factor is that HashMap does not maintain the order in the collection. The Java HashMap class implements the map interface by using a hash table. It inherits abstract map class and implements map interface. So that's a little theory about. Now we'll continue with the coding. First I will define my public class. No, first we'll import java.util.star. Now we'll define our public class hm, then the main method public static void main. So now we have our main method also. Now we will define an HashMap object, HashMap, and then the angular bracket. Now within the angular bracket we need to specify the data type of the key and then the value. Just we will use the key as an integer and value as a string. So we will use an example of roll number and name, like in school, colleges. Integer, integ, okay, string, and then the name hm equal to new HashMap. Oh, again same mistake, HAS HashMap. Again the same data type, integer and string, closing the angular bracket and defining the empty constructor, that is its default constructor. Now we'll put some entries in it using the put method. hm.put, we'll put 101 as Amit. Let me make it small. Amit. hm.put 102 as Tom. hm.put 103 John. So we have inserted three values. Now we'll see how can we get the size of this HashMap object. So its size should be 3. Now we'll see it using the function. Size is equals to concatenating hm.size. Oh, I have an error here. It should be put, not out. You can see we have compiled successfully. Now we'll run it. So you can see the size as 3, which is absolutely correct. Now we will do one thing. We'll insert one more entry, 104 as Kate. Now we'll compile it again and then see the changes. Now you can clearly see the changes. The size has become 4 because we now have 4 entries in our HashMap. So this is the method, that is size method. To get the size, it returns the integer value. Now we'll comment it out and we will see how can we print this value with the help of the key. So like we want to get the value of this key or roll number 101, 101, concatenating object name and then the get object, and within the get object will provide it the roll number or the integer or the key value. Now here we should get the value as 101, this colon and then the Amit. Now we will compile it and see the changes. So you can see the result as Amit, and which is correct. 101 here refers to Amit. Now this is to get the individual value. Now if we just want to get the list of whole, like the whole values in the respective order, for that we will use a loop for map.entry sm colon hm dot entry set. Now the loop begins here, and here we will use our function system dot out dot println to print the values. So first we'll write the key m dot get key, then concatenating it, again concatenating m dot. Now we'll get the value. So this should give us the whole these 4 entries on a console screen. Now we will compile it, and you can see we have get the result 101 as Amit, you can see 102 Tom, you can see here 103 John, and 104 as K. So this is absolutely correct. So you may have noticed here some of the functions we have used, like hm dot entry set. So entry set, it is used to return a collection of view of the mapping contained into the map. So it returns a mapping contained in this map, that is HashMap. The next is get key. So this get key used to give us the key, that is this key. This can be any 101, 102 or any key associated with this specific entry m, and this get value gave us this value associated with this specific entry m. Okay, now we will see some more functions. Now we will see remove function, how we can remove an entry. So let us keep this as here to see the changes. Now we will remove an entry, like we will remove an entry on the basis of the key, like hm dot remove, simply use the remove function and the key. Now you can see we have here removed this entry, and to check it we will copy it from here and paste it here to see the value, to see the changes. So let me put an empty line here so that we can get an empty line between two results. Compiling it and then running it. I can see here 4 entries, and after this hm dot remove statement we have removed the 102 entry, and here you can see we have only 3 entries. The entry number 102 is not there because it is removed with the help of this remove function. So you can clearly see the function of the remove function. Now just imagine you just want to remove this value, and you doesn't know if this value exists in the map or not. Then if this value doesn't exist in the map, then it will give us an error. Okay, so if we just check it first, if we just check the value if it exists in the entry or not, then it will be beneficial for us. So for that we will use the function contains key. It returns true if the map contains the specified key. So removing this, if hm dot contains key, then the key which is like 102, if it contain, this means that this contain the key. If it returns true, then print the message system dot out dot println map contains the key. What is the key? Concatenated here 102, else system dot println the map does not contains the key (102). Oh, I think this 102 why I'm doing this idiotic thing. I should write it directly. So now this is correct. Now we'll see this function first. An error because I haven't terminated correctly. Now you can see the map contains the key 102, and which is absolutely correct because till now we haven't removed it, and below the result you can also see the 102 key. Now this statement shows that it contains the key, so if it contains the key then we will remove it. hm dot remove 102 key, and will give us a message system dot out dot println key 102 has been removed. So this feels to be the good way. First we'll check it out if the value if the key exists. If the key exists, then we will remove it. Now we'll run it. So you can see first match is the map contains the key 102, then key 102 has been removed, and below you can see the result that 102 key has been removed. Only 3 entries are remaining below. So this is giving us absolutely correct result. I will show you 2 more functions also. First is the key set. The key set function gives us the collection of the keys. Like if I just remove this whole thing from here and remove this also, not now, just comment this out currently now because we need it so what is the use of the key set function? It returns the collection of keys. We will see now system dot out dot println. So keys are concatenating hm dot key set. We'll compile it and then see the result. So you can see the result keys as 101, 102 and 103 and 104. So these are the 4 keys which are contained in the map. So this is the function of the key set. Now if you just wish to clear the whole map, there is also function available called clear. Now we'll just uncomment it out to watch the result. We will here use the clear function hm dot clear. Simple function, it will clear the whole result, whole map. We'll compile it and then see empty screen because it clears the whole map. So this will not give us anything. If we just comment it out and compile it now and then see the result. Now you can see we have got the map, the entries in our map. So this clearly shows the function of the clear function. I hope that's all, and you have got the concept of the hash map. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.